Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install NBA 2K26 game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting any time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So open Steam, go to store and in search the store search for NBA 2K26 and then click on NBA 2K26 game. Now scroll down and here you will see play NBA 2K26 game, play for free until 14th of August. So if you download this game before 14th of August, then you can play this game for free till 14th of August. So click on play game button. And here you can see NBA 2K26 and the file size is 72.23 GB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library. And here you can see that NBA 2K26 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps, you can also download or install NBA 2K26 game for free and you can play this game for free until 14th of August. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.